On-demand manufacturing. AI design meets 3D printing. This title captures the essence of a powerful and transformative trend in modern manufacturing. Let's break down why it's compelling and then explore some of the implications. Why the title works. On-demand manufacturing immediately establishes the core concept: production only when needed, eliminating waste and inventory costs. This is the central promise and draw of this technology. AI design highlights the intelligent design capabilities, suggesting automation, optimization, and potentially even personalization. AI adds a layer of sophistication beyond traditional CAD. Meets 3D printing. Specifies the key technology enabling the on-demand aspect. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, provides the physical means to quickly and efficiently create designs. Concise and clear. The title is easy to understand, even for those unfamiliar with the intricacies of manufacturing. Intriguing. The combination of AI and 3D printing creates a sense of innovation and possibility. Expanding on the concept. This marriage of AI-driven design and 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing in several key ways. 1. Enhanced design capabilities. Generative design. AI algorithms can explore countless design iterations based on specific performance criteria, strength, weight, cost, etc. This leads to optimized and often unconventional designs that humans might not conceive. Design automation. AI can automate repetitive design tasks, freeing up engineers to focus on more complex and creative problem solving. Personalization and customization. AI can tailor designs to individual customer needs and preferences, enabling mass customization on an unprecedented scale. 2. Streamline production. Rapid prototyping. 3D printing allows for quick and iterative prototyping, significantly reducing development time and costs. On-demand production. Manufacturers can produce parts only when needed, minimizing inventory and waste. This is particularly valuable for low-volume production, spare parts, and highly customized products. Decentralized manufacturing. 3D printing enables production closer to the point of need, reducing transportation costs and lead times. Think of on-site printing of replacement parts in remote locations or disaster zones. 3. Materials. Innovation. Advanced materials. 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of material science, allowing for the use of new and innovative materials with unique properties. Material optimization. AI can be used to optimize material selection and processing parameters for specific applications. 4. Disruptive potential. Reduced supply chain. Complexity. On-demand manufacturing simplifies supply chains by eliminating the need for large-scale production and warehousing. New business models. It enables new business models such as design as a service and distributed manufacturing networks. Democratization of manufacturing. It empowers smaller businesses and individuals to become manufacturers, lowering the barriers to entry. Asterisk, asterisk. Examples of applications. Asterisk, 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 aerospace. Asterisk, asterisk, lightweight. Optimized components for aircraft. Asterisk, 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 healthcare. Asterisk, asterisk, custom prosthetics and implants tailored to individual patients. Asterisk, 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 automotive. Asterisk, asterisk, personalized car parts and rapid prototyping of new designs. Asterisk, 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 consumer goods. Customized products like shoes, eyewear, and furniture. Asterisk, asterisk, challenges and considerations. Asterisk, 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 scalability. Asterisk, asterisk, scaling up 3D printing for mass production can be challenging. Asterisk, 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 material limitations. The range of materials that can be 3D printed is still limited compared to traditional manufacturing processes. Asterisk, 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 cost, asterisk, asterisk. While costs are decreasing, 3D printing can still be more expensive for high-volume production. Asterisk, 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 skills gap. There is a need for skilled professionals who can design, operate, and maintain 3D printing equipment. Asterisk, 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 intellectual property. Protecting intellectual property in a decentralized manufacturing environment can be difficult. Asterisk, asterisk. Conclusion. Asterisk, asterisk, on-demand manufacturing, driven by AI design and enabled by 3D printing, represents a significant leap forward in manufacturing technology. It offers the potential for faster innovation, greater customization, reduced costs, and more sustainable production. While challenges remain, the ongoing advancements in AI, 3D printing, and materials science are paving the way for a future where manufacturing is more agile, efficient, and responsive to the needs of individuals and businesses alike.